All right, so it says calculate the lift of a stationary teledrone if the mass of the drone is 240 grams. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to convert 240 grams to kilograms. All right, and we know that gravity is the mass times the acceleration due to gravity negatively because it's going down. So G we know is 9.8 meters per second squared. So it's going to be 0.240 kilograms times 9.8 meters per second squared. All right, and 0.24 times 9.8, that's going to be 2.3 newtons in the negative direction. So the force of gravity is negative 2.3. And we said that Newton's third law says every action is equal and opposite reaction. So if the opposite reaction of gravity is lift, they're going to be equal and opposite. So then I have the gravity equal to the opposite of the lift. Make this one negative. So the gravity is negative 2.4 newtons. The lift is going to be the positive version of that. Excuse me, 2.3 newtons. So the lift is 2.3. So pretty much whenever you find the gravity, you just take the opposite of it to get the lift if the object is stationary.